Good afternoon everyone. Today I'm going to explain you about festivals of India. So we celebrate many festivals in our country, and India is the only countries which have many festivals to celebrate, and we celebrate festivals with our friends and families and neighbors. So there are so many festivals to celebrate in our country. Let me explain one by one with each topics. Holi. Holi is the festival of color. On this day, people play with colored powder and water. They spray color and they use colors and they play Holi. Holi is celebrated to remember Lord Vishnu's devotee Prahlad, who by his aunt Holika, who tricked him to sit on his lap, but God saved him from the fire. So on Holi they first have a bonfire where they symbolize Holika burning, and then they use color to celebrate this festival. Now I'm going to explain you about Diwali. So Diwali is known as the festival of lights. So on this day, people decorate their homes with lamp and rangoli. They decorate their home with many lights to explain how Lord Rama, who took Lord Rama was how did Lord Rama win over Ravan? On this day, Lord Rama killed Ravan and he came back to his home back again after the exile of 14 years. So to welcome Lord Rama, people decorated lamps and people kept lamp or diyas all over the way so that they can come back to celebrate this day. People decorate their house and make their home, clean their home, and they give gifts and eat sweets and celebrate this day, Diwali. Now I'm going to speak about Eid ul Fitr. This festival of Eid is celebrated at the end of about a month of fasting by the people, and people wear new clothes and eat special food on this day. People celebrate Eid ul Fitr, which is people celebrate to remember when Prophet Muhammad, who was given the Quran was revealed on this day. So the date keeps on changing according to the months. So Eid is celebrated to remember Prophet Muhammad, who received Quran from God on this day, and people go to mosque on this day. They offer prayers. They offer prayers and wear new dresses on this day. Now I'm going to explain you about Guru Parv. So Guru Parv is also known as Guru Nanak Jayanti. So on this day, Guru Nanak ji was born, who is the Guru of all. Guru, who is the 10th Guru, and he is known as Guruji. He inspired many people to live a holy life and a selfless life. So to celebrate this day, all go to the Gurudwara and they offer prayers on this day. It is celebrated in different times of the year. People wear new clothes and offer prayer at the Gurudwaras on this day. So now I am going to explain about Christmas. So Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. People decorate their houses on Christmas and they decorate their houses with Christmas tree. This is the day when Jesus Christ was born, and people celebrate Christmas by sharing gifts and by giving gifts to each other. They wear new dresses, they go to church for prayer, they have family gatherings. Then on Christmas we also have Santa Claus who comes to our house and give gifts to us. So Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December every year. So this is all about the different types of festivals. We also have a few festivals which are known as national festivals. So the national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, and this all festivals are called national festivals where all nations celebrate such festivals. Everybody celebrate, and some festivals are celebrated with the community wise, like all Hindu people will celebrate Holi, Diwali, and all, and other community people may celebrate a different festivals. So, according to the community, the festivals are distributed. Some festivals have different names, but they celebrate in the same way, like Lori, Pongal, and we say Makar Sankranti. This all are festival which is related with the harvest festival, because when they get good harvest they celebrate this festival. So this is all about festival. Thank you.